All right, here we go, guys. 4-inch posts, old existing asphalt, nothing new about it. Who knows what's underneath it? Gonna drive that 4-inch post right against a chain link fence that's already there, because now they want to add a cantilever gate. No big deal. Here's my grade line. Want that much in the ground. I've already got it plumbed up. So now I just gotta break that. Now I just gotta break that asphalt free. And I got it. Broke. As I break through that asphalt, gotta change the level. Okay, we want that to be perfectly plumb and against that rail, which we are. Perfectly plumb this way, and come my way just a smidge, right there. Maybe just a touch more. One more. Make sure that's nice and parallel with that post, and it is. Ground level. Bottomed out. That's all I got. Money where we wanted it. Perfectly plumb. Do I get the next one? A little too far towards the fence. Good. Good. That's it. Beautiful! Well, there you go, guys. Cantilever posts. Let's see. Woo-wee! Yeah, buddy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And if we needed to, we could make slight adjustments, but I don't think we need to. Damn near 5 minutes is all to it. Fence Rex for the win. Here's a little tip if you stayed this long. Cantilever gate openings, measure your overall length of your entire gate, including the tail. Measure from the latch post to the back side of the support post, this back post. Minus 6 inches to the outside edge. It'll work every time. Now you know. See you guys.